Determine the general solution of sine x is equal to 1 over 2, sine x is minus 1 over 2, tan x is 1 over 2, tan x is equal to minus 1 over 2. What you need to know before you write the general solution. Number one, you need to know the period of the graphs. We have period sine graph and cosine graph. The period is equal to 360 degrees. But for tan, the period for tan graph is 180 degrees. So, izosinceda kwi-general solution, because general solution umzekelo nangu x is equal to 15 degrees plus k times 360 degrees. So la 360 lo yi-period kabani ka-sine nabani no-cosine. Then enye inganje 15 plus k times 180 degrees. La 180 is a what period for the tan graph. Okay, so another thing that we need to know, zeza quadrants zethu. So apha kwezi quadrants zethu sithi all, that is first quadrant, students take care. What does that mean? All trig ratios are positive. Sine, that is positive. Tan, that is positive. Cos, that is positive. Which means here sine is positive, cos is positive, tan is positive here. Here is only sine that is positive. Sine is positive, but cos is negative and tan. Here is only tan that is positive. Positive tan, negative sine, negative cos. Here is only cos that is positive. Positive cos, negative tan, negative sine. So we need to understand quadrants ngolu. Then number two, we must know that siqala apha sino 0. Then we have 90 here, we have 180 la. Then apha sino 270. Then plus 8 to 90 up we'll get 360. Okay, so apha is the angle that is between 0 and 90, which means it's 90 degrees minus theta. Here, that is first quadrant. Here, it's 90 degrees plus theta. And you can say 180 minus 180 degrees minus theta. Okay, but up we have 180 degrees plus theta. Then 270 semchati. Then it's 360 degrees minus theta here. So, iyona nto ofuneka uyibhalile before you answer the question ye-general solution. Okay, sense number one. Number one, uthi sine x is equal to 1 over 2. That is number one. The first thing that we need to do is to determine x. So xa sifuna u-x ke ngosoweza lo sine lo abe ngu-negative sine inverse 1 over 2. Then we press the calculator power, we get 30. Now masibhale ke ngosolution yokuqala. Solution number one. Zeziphi quadrant where sine is positive, because there is a positive here. Sine graph is positive. Kweziphi quadrant? It is positive ku first quadrant na ku second quadrant. Okay, so i-solutions zethu zizoba yi-2, first nabani no second. So first quadrant is any angle that is between 90 and 0, 30 losesemqhupheni, which means first solution ka first quadrant nansi ya degrees plus k times sine i-period yakhe 360 degrees, where k is an element of integer. That is solution number one. Solution number two, we always have two solutions, then we choose. Then aphinda abe positive p sine x, aphinda abe positive kwi second quadrant 180 minus asizumsebenzisa 90 plus, because uzosinika la cofunction. So x weight will be equal to 180 degrees minus theta plus k times 360 k is an element of integers. Then uthitha ngubani ke ngoku lo besimbalile ebengu-30 phaa. Then the solution number 2 athi aphume ngu-150 plus k times 360, where k is an element of the integers. Then sesifumene isolution ezi-2. Let's do number 2. Let's do number 2. Quickly do number 2. Number 2, uthi sine x is equal to minus 1/2. Okay? So, i-negative yona isixelela nje quadrant, which means upper we have sine x is equal to sine inverse of 1/2, which is 30 degrees. Then here with solutions. So on solution 1 and solution 2. Solution 1 we must jonge ke ngoku usine unegative kwiziphi quadrant. Usine zeziphi quadrant a-negative kuzo. Usine unegative kule quadrant aphinde abe negative kule quadrant. Okay. Then quadrant x is equal to 180 degrees plus theta plus k times 360. K is an element of integers. Utheta ngubani? 30. Okay. So sithi 180 plus 30 sitsho siphume 210 degrees plus k times 360. K is an element of integers. Sibe sigqibile isolution yokuqala. Solution number 2 masijonge aphinde abe negative uphi. Let's take 180 plus and also 360 minus. So x is equal to 360 degrees minus theta plus k times 360, where k is an element of integers. Kubani utheta wethu? U-30 ngulobe simbale phaa. So we separate theta apha sibe no 330 degrees plus k times 360 degrees, where k is an element of integers. That is solution number 2. Siye sajonga unegative uphi usine kule game. Let's do number 3. Number 3 utan. So number 3, tan x is equal to 1/2. So remember the period for x is 1, for tan is 180. So singenzi mistake phaa. So x, we do the same, is equal to tan inverse 1/2. Uye ucalculator ucofe phaa, ushift utan, ucofe uze ulet 1/2, then you get x olingana nabani no 26.57 degrees. Then nalapha sona solution 1 and solution 2. Masiye ngosiyojonga. Utan upositive kwephi quadrant? Utan upositive ku first quadrant, aphinda abe positive ku third quadrant. First quadrant i-angle between 90 and 0. So 26 say right. So x is equal to 26.57 degrees plus k times 360 degrees, where k is an element of the integers. Then say solution number 2. This is solution number 1. So siye ku solution number 2. Aphinde utan abe positive kweyiphi quadrant? Ku 180 plus. So sithi 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta plus k times, no, not 360, 180 period yala. So silungise lapha ngu 108. So 108, where k is an element of the integers. Ubani utheta ke ngoku? Utheta wethu ngu-26.57. Sitsho sibethe calculator phaa. So sitsho sibe no 206.57 degrees plus k times 180, singenzi mistake phaa, where k is an element of the integers. So sigqibile number 3. Let's quickly do number 4, the last one. Remember, turn 1.18. So lapha we are going to say, remember negative lower here now, sixela nje quadrant. So x is equal to tan inverse of 1/2. So tan inverse of 1/2 usengula x, which is equal to 26.57 degrees. Then see solution number 1. Solution number 1 uzothini? Unegative uphi utan? Zeziphi ezi quadrants utana negative kuzo? Unegative kwi-second quadrant, aphinde abe negative kwi-fourth quadrant. Second quadrant 180 minus, which means x will be equal to 180 degrees minus theta plus k times 180, where k is an element of integers. Kubani theta? Ku-26.57. So siphume ne-answer pha engu 153.43 degrees plus k times 108, where k is an element of integers. That is solution number 1. Aphinde abe negative kweyiphi quadrant? Remember sesiyenzile le, abe negative phaa ku-fourth quadrant, 360 minus. So x is equal to 360 degrees minus theta plus k times 180, where k is an element of integer. Kubani utheta? Utheta ngubani? U-26.57. Utheta u-26.57. So the answer is, so x wethu aphume engu-333.43 plus k times 180, where k is an element of the integers.